don't know if anybody to contact reference who owns all this property.
I think if you Google, you can find the OBN International Media. OBN. Yeah, International Television. I think it's owned by the Ethiopian government.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Kana fakkaata OBN akkana caccabsine waagaa isaaniiti. Maa sodaanuma.
Of course, Facebook. I don't have Facebook. I'm too old for Facebook.
Kana gooti kun dhiirti. Injiraatu as keessa.
Yeah, OBN.
Yeah, OBN.
International News.
Yeah, that's it.
Kana fakkaata OBN. Waagaa isaaniiti.
You got it?
You got a phone number for me? Oh, no.
No.
I'm not looking for that. Okay.
Yeah, no.
You have some contact number?
No, I don't have.
No, we don't have any contact.
There's a paper.
Maybe they might even contact you.
Well, I would eventually, but I'd like to.
Good.
Oh, here.
Margaret.
He's looking for it.
Oh, he's looking for him? Oh, man.
Injiraatu as keessa teettaniiti.
Well, contact us.
Waaga.
Find it.
Maa sodaan.
But like I said, that was something. My video.
Fiiti maal godhare kaameraadha ka waraaba abbaa fedhe kan waliyyuu du'aara. Let the add it.
No phone number, just
Yaa dhukka itti kaasne irra kana fakkaata.
email address and then this address.
So they don't have no
So
phone number?
No phone number on their webpage.
studio isaanii bakka jirtan ittiin jiraattan haga nu jiru.
All right. Yeah, holy cats, they do a lot of damage.
Yeah. I don't know if the property managers know about this. I don't know.
Well, this just happened, obviously.
Yeah, just happened. Yeah. I mean, like we're inside there, but we didn't even know. We didn't even know
You
anything.
didn't hear anything, huh?
No, this guy just knocked the door to us.
Wow. 10 to 2103 when you get a chance, if you can just bring a camera up here. Is there a name maybe on somebody's?
Kana fakkaata dhukka isaanii irraa kaasanii.
Also trying to locate a contact. Come here and assess the damage. Give me a list.
What's your specific business? I'll try to see if I can.
OBN International. Ocean Baker Nora International. And you said it's owned by the Ethiopian government?
Yeah.
Would you mind giving me your name just because you assisted me? You're not a suspect, but you assisted me and showed me up here. Do you have your ID handy? I'll just write it down.
I don't have ID with me,
Okay,
but
what's your first name?
Abdi.
And then your middle name?
Musa.
M-O-U-S-S-A?
M-U-S-A.
M-U-S-E or A?
M-U-S-A.
A, okay.
Yeah.
And then your last name?
First name is the... You asked me which one did you ask me?
Negative. I'm with a gentleman that just helped me find this location. Said that the protest was here to confront this business. He brought me up here.
Okay, I believe maintenance is here. I'll send them up to you with the cameras.
Copy. So your first name is?
Abdurazak.
S-A-K? A-B-D-I R-I-S-A-K?
ABDULRAZAK.
Oh boy.
Okay. And I will tell you the spelling. Can you just write?
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
ABDULRAZAK.
That's your first name?
That's the first name.
Okay, and then your middle name?
Hayan. HAYAIN.
And your last name?
Musa. MUSA.
Okay. And a phone number you can be reached at?
Oh, my phone number?
Yeah.
I don't have a phone number.
What's your phone?
Huh?
You don't have to give it to me. I don't care. What, date of birth?
September 9, 1996.
Okay. So do you work in the building or no?
No, I have an office in other side.
Oh, on the other side of this building though.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you from Ethiopia or no?
Yeah,
Are you?
I'm from Ethiopia. Yeah.
Okay, so in a nutshell, this is a TV station that broadcasts just in the Minnesota area, Minneapolis, St. Paul area, owned by the Ethiopian government. And you said that people are dying in Ethiopia.
Yeah.
And therefore people are mad. Okay. Are you the owner?
Yeah, I'm the property manager.
Okay. Do you have the owner's name and number you can call them?
The owner? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh boy, you ran up here, huh?
Yeah. I was sick today.
Oh, you had some dental work?
Yeah.
Ouch.
So I was in my bed.
This man has been very helpful. He walked me up here to show me the damage. This is very extensive, obviously.
It is.
Do you know what's the name of the OBN person?
Yeah. So hold on 1 second. Okay, I have a couple people.
Okay.
So Alex 202-413-0150.
Okay. All right. I'll call him.
Okay.
Or can you call him and just tell him to
Yeah, I can
maybe
call.
come here?
Yeah.
And you're the building manager, you said?
I am the property manager.
Okay, maybe I talked to you about the weird cars that were out in the... Was that you
Yes,
that I was talking
yes.
to? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. What's your first name again?
Fatah, Fatah.
And your last name?
Abdi, ABDI.
That's right.
If they did any other damage besides
I don't know. What, is this the only OBN